everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jimmy, and today we'll take a look at the brand new launched Galaxy Z Fold6, the Galaxy Z Flip6, the Galaxy Buds 3, and the Buds 3 Pro, along with the Galaxy Ring, as well as the Galaxy Watch 7 and the Galaxy Watch Ultra. Now first up is the Galaxy Z Fold6, where the main screen is at the size of 7.6 inch. You also have the cover screen at 6.3 inch, where both of those do sport that 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate. Now for the camera setups on the rear, you do have the 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, the 50 megapixel wide angle camera, and 10 megapixel telephoto. When it comes down to your cover screen camera, which is your selfie camera, that is at 10 megapixel. And then the under display camera on the inside, when you have it opened up, is a 4 megapixel under display camera. Its processor is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 mobile platform for Galaxy, with the battery at 4400 milliamp hours. For your memory and storage, you will have 12 gigabytes of RAM with all models, and the models for internal storage will be at 256, the 512 gig, and 1 terabyte. But don't forget, if you do pre-order any of these devices, you will have that double storage on Samsung. So it is the storage upgrade. So if you are going for the 256, you can get the 512 for the same price. And then for the colors, you will have Silver Shadow, Pink, and Navy, along with the Samsung exclusive Crafted Black and White, where that crafted black looks like carbon fiber. Now moving on to the Galaxy Z Flip6, the main screen is at a 6.7 inch Full HD Plus. It also has that 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, where the cover screen has a 3.4 inch Super AMOLED sporting the 60 Hz display. And then for the cameras on the rear setup, for that rear dual camera, you do have a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, along with a first time ever on a flip device 50 megapixel wide angle camera. And then for the front camera, you will have a 10 megapixel selfie camera. The Galaxy Z Flip6 still comes with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. Now for the memory and storage, they all come with 12 gigs of RAM, but you have the two choices of 256 gigs of internal storage or 512. And again, remember, Samsung does have that double storage on them, or the storage upgrade. So if you do go for the 256 gig internal storage, you can actually get the 512 at the same price. And then the battery size here is sitting at 4000 milliamp hours. When it comes down to the colors, you will have Silver Shadow, Yellow, Blue, and Mint. And then for the Samsung exclusive colors, you will have Crafted Black, which again looks like carbon fiber. You also have White and Peach. Now the prices for the Galaxy Z Fold6 start at $1,900, while the Galaxy Z Flip6 starts at $1,100. And now on to the Galaxy Buds 3 and the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Now first off, for the price, the Galaxy Buds 3 is sitting at $180, while the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro is sitting at $250. Now they both do come in silver and white, and they both have 24-bit hi-fi sound. Now there are quite a few differences between the two. First off, when it comes down to the speakers as well as the dual amp, the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro is equipped with the enhanced two-way speaker as well as the dual amp, while the Galaxy Buds 3 has a one-way speaker but no dual amp. And now for the Galaxy AI portion of the Galaxy Buds series. When it comes down to the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, it does have adaptive noise control as well as the voice detect and siren detect, but the Galaxy Buds 3 does not have those equipped. But they both do have adaptive EQ and interpreter with Galaxy, which means real-time interpretation with the Galaxy Buds 3. Also, one of the biggest changes between the two is that the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro is equipped with those blade lights. So these are called blades, not stems, and these lights are helpful in the fact that you can see if they're on, if they're off, if they are pairing. Also, if you're trying to find your Galaxy Buds 3 Pros, you can not only use the chirp, but you can also use the lighting if it's dark in the room. Hopefully you'll be able to find it that way as well. And then lastly, my favorite feature is the super wideband 16 kilohertz mic, which means it sounds as if you're holding the phone up to your ear, and the person on the other line doesn't hear the fact that you could possibly be on a Bluetooth headset. And now for the Samsung Galaxy Ring, which comes in 3 colors, which is titanium black, titanium silver, and titanium gold. Now there are 9 sizes for the Galaxy Ring, ranging from size 5 to size 13. And when you do purchase the Galaxy Ring, which is sitting at $300, that also includes the sizing kit. And also with the Ring battery life, it will differ between the sizes and how long it'll last. So if you have the sizes of 5 through 11, you'll get right above 6 days. And if you have size Ring of 12 or 13, you'll easily get right above 7 days. So the average between all the sizes of rings will be a 7-day battery life. And then for charging of the ring charges in 80 minutes and the case holds 1.5 charges. And then as of now, all of the health benefits is included. There is no subscription price, especially with the first generation Galaxy Ring. So in the foreseeable future, I don't see a subscription price that you would have to pay in order for you to keep all of your health benefits. And then lastly, going on to the Galaxy Watch 7 and the Galaxy Watch Ultra. The Galaxy Watch 7 comes in two sizes, which is 44mm and 40mm, while the Galaxy Watch Ultra is at 47mm. Now the colors of the Galaxy Watch 7 for 44mm is green and silver, while the 40mm is at green and cream. For the Galaxy Watch Ultra, you can get it in titanium silver, titanium gray, and titanium white. For the display sizes for the 44mm Galaxy Watch 7, you're sitting at a 1.5-inch 480 by 480 Super AMOLED display, with the 40mm sitting at 1.3-inch 432 by 432 Super AMOLED, while the Galaxy Watch Ultra, the 47mm is sitting at 1.5-inch display with the 480 by 480 Super AMOLED full color always on display. The memory and storage, you're sitting at 2 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of internal storage. With the battery for the 44mm Galaxy Watch 7, you're sitting at 425 milliamp hours. The 40mm is at 300 milliamp hours. And then for the Galaxy Watch Ultra, you're sitting at 590 milliamp hours. Now to take a look at a few of the brand new features, you have one for interpreter, where now you can have one person on one side of the screen with the other on the other side of the cover screen having conversations with translations. Now along with the wallpapers for your cover screen, you have several brand new ones. You have some informative, interactive, animated, graphical, and colors. And the interactive ones are super fun. You're able to select it with the cover screen wallpaper interacting with your finger and touches, and a lot of options for informative presets. And then when you are taking a selfie with this, you can lay it down, you have your two sensors taking a look at you, and you can have the auto frame on. So if it's you and a friend, or if you are moving further or closer away from the phone, it'll actually change its zoom and position to make sure that either you and all the rest of the subjects are in frame for the nice, perfect shot. And then you have sketch to image. So what this is if you're sketching down a drawing and you would like it to pop out in another way, all you have to do is use sketch to image. You can circle it, use generative AI, and you can choose the option if you want watercolor, illustration, sketch, pop art, or 3D cartoon. So with this one, we chose 3D cartoon to take that exact sketch but make it into something just a little bit different. So hopefully you guys appreciated this video. If you guys did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe on the very bottom left-hand side. And if you like this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.